Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you are still alive in this bloody day. So the crypto market is dipping lower and lower. Is this a capitulation or just we have a capitulation to come? So let's discuss this. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and for entertainment purposes only. So whatever you are investing for long term with dollar cost averaging, or you are trading in a short term, or just going staking and farming, always do your own research and make your decision based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And let's join our Telegram. You find the link in the description, and also follow us on Twitter. You find the link also in the description. So let's share my screen and let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's going on. It's a bloody day, guys. It's a bloody day. So I don't see any coin. I don't see any coin in green. Yesterday, all the coins were in green. Today, we don't have a single coin in green. So everybody, all the market is dropping. Bitcoin down almost 11%, Ethereum down 14%, Binance going down 10%, Cardano 20%, Loopring 20, Sand 16, YFI 14, SCRT 22. So huge losses, guys. Overall, almost 10 and 20% losses everywhere. So this looks really bad. Let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 19. So I would expect the fear index much lower if the blood on the street, but it is just at 19, and yesterday it was 24. And if we are looking back, we see the fear is bottoming out here. It dipped at 10 on 8th of January, and also now it's going lower. And if we are looking back, that just during the summer dump, went the index as low as 10. And guys, there's a saying from Warren Buffett: be greedy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy. Now others are fearful. And will we go deeper? Maybe. Then others will be more and more fearful, because when investors are too worrying, then they are selling their assets for a cheap price. So guys, let's go and check our first news. Or let's see what's happening. Bitcoin dumps to hit a 6 month low near 38,000, so it dipped also below 38,000 during the day, and actually 50 billion from all the overall crypto market wiped out in a matter of a moment, and that was not good. And let's check this from Invest Answers. BTC up 4%, down 9%, all in 12 hours. Welcome to options expiry. Bears are in control. They need Bitcoin under 41,000 to pocket 132 million in gains. Seed bets, please. Or this welcome tutorial. So welcome to Friday expiry, down 8%. So guys, I'm speechless. Seeing these charts. I'm really speechless. Okay, ADA also dropped huge. So let's go and check our next news. Crypto liquidation passed 700 million US dollar as altcoins take a hit from Bitcoin sinking below 40,000. So there was a cascade at 40,000, support disappeared. 40,000 support disappeared. 40,000 optimism unwinds. So let's check the total liquidations on this chart. And okay, so we see these are the prices and we see the liquidations. This is the price and this is the liquidations. So liquidation spiked after 6th and 8th of January, and also short liquidations, long liquidations. So we still not in the short squeeze yet, but longs getting liquidated. Ether returns to established support, and Luna also dropping further. Ethereum fell to crucial support around 2,800. Also, I think we broke that level for a few minutes to cite an all-time high from last April to cap weekly losses approaching 15%. So this is also not a good news, but overall we have some good news and some bad news. So we'll see. Okay, next piece of news is Bitcoin fundamentals diverge from BTC price. Dip as difficulty hits new all-time high. So actually this is a good news. This is underscoring miners' faith in a long-term profitability because miners are not selling, and also difficulty passes 26 trillion for the first time. Bitcoin mining difficulty. Let's make this bigger. Why it's not working? Okay, now. So you see, this is the Bitcoin price and this is the mining difficulty. And mining difficulty always, almost all the time is the price is following mining difficulty. Expect this huge corona dump in 2020 March. And also we see that mining difficulty is at all-time high and price is still dropping. So this is a divergence that we see here. BTC price dip fails to break miner resolve. Mining pool stats. So this is the exahashes. So it reached briefly 218 exahashes. So this was the highest level. So guys, calculation last week revealed their break-even point to lie at around 34,000 US dollar. So miners' optimism ever the probability of their operations remains. Okay, so until 34, miners are still in profit. Let's go to our next news. Crypto analyst Nicholas Merton predicts dramatic volatility for Bitcoin. Here is his target. Okay, so let's quote from him. We may be on the verge of a pretty harsh correction of over 20-30% decline in Bitcoin price. We have been bearish in short term over the past couple of weeks, that there is still more downside to go. I am still a long-term bull. I believe that we are still in the bull market, not a bear market. It's very likely that we could see correction, but at the same time, it could be the catalyst to finally set ourselves up on the next uptrend charter towards the 150 US dollar range and 200,000 US dollar range. So 150 and 200,000 range. When the sell-off does come, it's not going to be this slow but steady sell-off of lower highs, lower lows. I really feel we are going at something quite dramatic. Yeah, so we can get this 20-30% drop still, but almost on a higher time frame, Bitcoin is sideways, so not in the bear market, not in a classic bear market, but in a short-term downtrend. So Flash is ultra bullish signal following first sell-off wave in current cycle. So Bitcoin's 4-wave cycle is poised to enter the fatal wave according to BTC market pundits. The current wave gauges BTC at 100,000 to 220,000 by 2023. The speculation is high bullish but may not still play out. And guys, let's watch this. Bitcoin has a 4 waves pattern that happens every cycle. These four waves are demand waves and happen when a lot of money flows into Bitcoin in a short time frame. The four waves are clearly visible in the realized cap hodl waves indicator. So this is takeoff, first sell-off, fake top, and we are not at the cycle top. So also this is the realized cap hodl waves. So you see that we have some signs when we can get to the fake top and to the cycle top, and we are not yet. Okay, so let's go to our next news. Google Pay hires PayPal executive to help crypto payments. So they hired a PayPal veteran to help with the expansion of Google Pay as it sets its sights on future, including plans to explore crypto. Let's quote from Google. Crypto is something we pay a lot of attention to. As user demand and merchant demand evolves, we will evolve with it. So, yeah, also they are partnering with Coinbase and I think with Bitwise or whatever. Let's see another news because maybe there is more info. Google tiptoes into crypto. Okay, they hired the former PayPal executive and they partnered up with Coinbase. Coinbase is the biggest exchange, one of the biggest, and BitPay, a crypto custody company. The specifics of Google's crypto plans are unclear, but its entry into the industry would have massive implications. So, guys, even if the market is bearish, we got this news that's supporting adoption and spreading out crypto and Bitcoin to the masses. I still believe that, yeah, so even if maybe we are going into the bear market, but it will not take as long as 2 years as last time. So I expect all these adoption things will just push the price with time. Next piece of news is a Bitcoin user lost 1.14 million US dollar to an online giveaway scam. On Saturday, a Bitcoin user lost 1.14 million to an online scam posing as MicroStrategy Chief Executive Officer Michael Saylor and offering a fake giveaway. So, guys, I cannot say anything about this. Be very cautious with giveaways. So they are always doing YouTube lives and YouTube videos where they are taking out some pitches from well-known people like Elon Musk, Cathy Wood, or Michael Saylor, and also they promoting that send 0.1 Bitcoin to this address and you will get back 0.3. Send 1 Ethereum to this address and you will get back 3 Ethereum. So many people falling to these scams. So the user sent the equivalent of the 26 Bitcoins to an address confirmed by the crypto tracking service Whale Alerts as a Bitcoin scam. A nightmare come true. Whale Alert tweeted the scam received the single largest payment ever to a fake giveaway. Guys, be very careful and also don't send anything. So there is no such a giveaway that you are sending some amounts and you will get 2 times or 3 times. There is no such a giveaway. But there are giveaways if you are doing some social media task or some bounty or you are liking or you are using the protocol and you get an airdrop. But these are all scams giveaways. Be very cautious with this. Next piece of news is 300 small US banks set to offer Bitcoin trading in second quarter of 2022. This is quite important news. We have seen significant activity in cryptocurrency transactions from our customers' accounts, and a few investments have been rather large, so that it's obviously getting our attention. Quote from CEO of Bank South. The Wise crypto banking launch has gone well. In the first 4 months since launch, we added approximately 5 times our historical retail customer base, and those customers are in all 50 states. and 3 US territories. We think that's the beginning point of how the operational structure on the back end of the bank needs to start to pivot toward working on blockchains. Cryptocurrency was the first place to want it to be, and New York DIG, a crypto fintech company, is providing the underlying infrastructure to these banks. So, guys, this is definitely huge. I think these banks just have seen that their clients sending funds to Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, and to other exchanges. And why should the money leave our bank? Let's offer Bitcoin and crypto investments to our clients. Yeah, smart decision. Next piece of news is El Salvador explores low interest loan backed by Bitcoin. So this is huge. The Bitcoin small loans will provide access to digital money for the unbanked while helping them create a credit history. El Salvador's economy will strengthen by empowering its small businesses. El Salvador has roughly 1.2 million businesses in the country. Roughly 66% are micro businesses, and over 80% of micro businesses are self-funded via informal loans or loan sharks. So, guys, don't take out loans from loan sharks, but deposit your Bitcoin and get a loan, a micro loan. Businesses need an entry point. Financing Bitcoin is that opportunity, and they can still hold their Bitcoins and enjoying the price appreciation when we get there. So, next piece of news is Bitcoin price to reach 200,000, predicts social capital CEO Chamath Palihapitiya. So, Chamath is one of the biggest investors in tech like Facebook, Apple, and all these companies. And let's quote from him. Can you play the clip in 2022, in 2012 and 2013 when it was at 200 US dollar, and everybody was laughing at me at CNBC when I was talking about Bitcoin. Where is it going? It's probably going to 100,000, to 150,000, then to 200,000. In what period? I don't know. 5 years, 10 years, but it's going there. So, guys, Chamath invested in Bitcoin in 2012. So, he is an early adopter and a billionaire. Next piece of news is Euro inflation hits record highs, ECB not in rush to raise interest rates. So ECB sees no reason to adjust interest rates despite Eurozone inflation reaching 5%. So you see the inflation reached 5% in January, and I think the Eurozone inflation target is 2%. So it's more than double that we are at these levels. In our projection, medium-term inflation will even fall back below our target of 2%, even though we acknowledge that the projections are now subject to great uncertainty. So, as the inflation in the US is 7.8%, in the EU 5%, so this is not good, guys. This is not good. So the purchasing power of your fiat is destroying. Next piece of news is the SEC has issued 2.4 billion in crypto-related penalties since 2013. 2.4 billion. You see this chart. Other allegations: failure to register as a broker, promotion of securities without disclosing compensation, unregistered securities offering, and other things. So almost, where is the percentage? Yeah. Okay, I just wanted to mention this. Yes, so 80% alleged unregistered securities offering violation, and 50% alleged both, 60% alleged fraud. So, guys, I don't know that all these crypto projects was just working not according to law. But my question is that does the SEC paid this 2.4 billion fine that they collected under the idea that we should care the clients, and we should not cause so the market cannot cause any damage to our clients. So did they distributed this 2.4 billion to their clients? This is my question. Okay. Next piece of news is Singapore restricts crypto ads. Central bank says crypto trading not suitable for the general public. Okay, so if you're living in Singapore, that's not good news for you, and they don't want to allow to general public to trade crypto. Okay, let's quote. But the trading of cryptocurrencies is highly risky and not suitable for the general public. DPT service providers should therefore not portray the trading of DPTs in a manner that trivializes the high risk of trading in DPTs, nor engaged in marketing activities that target the general public. So, guys, you are allowed to eat and drink unhealthy things. You are allowed to go to the casino and lose all your funds. But in some countries, you are not allowed to invest in a startup and you are not allowed to invest in crypto. Okay, let's move to those countries that they are much open-minded. Next piece of news is NFTs and games are not correlated to crypto research. Research says NFTs were hardly affected by the dip in cryptocurrencies, the report said, adding that despite the volatile cryptocurrencies cycles, NFTs maintain a stagnant positive trend. The undeniable role that NFTs play in both the metaverse and to play narratives has primarily contributed to positive on-chain metrics despite unfavorable macro indicators. DAP Radar said, adding the celebrities and big brands entering the space have further strengthened and the space grows. As the outlook for these type of assets is undeniable, powerful individuals might see the negative cryptocurrency trend as a buying opportunity, as the value for the underlying assets, in this case, the Ether, decrease the actual price of the NFT, the report said. So guys, definitely good news. And also we at CorionX working on a secret NFT projects. So let's go to our next news. Foam shoe giant CORX files NFT and digital collectibles trademark applications. Guys, I like Scotch. All the summertime I'm wearing a Scotch. So I wanna have this Bitcoin and crypto Scotch. Okay, Crotch has sold 300 million pairs of foam clog shoes as the application describes a protocol that can manage and store digital collectibles. Okay, that will be a downloadable virtual goods created with blockchain technology, smart contract in the nature of footwear, according to the trademark registration. So, great news. Next piece of news is Russia proposes ban on use and mining of cryptocurrencies. So, this is also related to Singapore um, banning cryptocurrency trading. So, Russia wants to ban mining and also cryptocurrency, and because they think that this is a financial risk to financial stability, and what else? Yes, so they want to ban also crypto exchanges. So what's happening in Russia? I think the Russian oil and gas oligarch um, already bought a lot of Bitcoin and other cryptos, and then they want the general public not trading these assets. So this is almost the same opinion as I mentioned at the Singapore news. So guys, let's go and check our farms. So we do have some nice juicy things going on. Let's go and check. We have farms running on Binance Smart Chain. You can earn up to 114% APR. We will adjust the API and maybe to 200 or 300% APRs. And also go and check out our farms on the Ethereum. We're holding ERC20 version. farms are live, so you can earn up to 330% APR if you provide liquidity on Uniswap in CorionX Ethereum pair. So guys, that's it for today. Let's go and join our Telegram channel, and then always we are sharing educational content here, and also you can ask questions and get some answers. So definitely join. We will update about the NFT projects here. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for smashing those likes. Share this video with your friend and enjoy your weekend. Don't worry about crypto. If you're having, let's go and check some charts. So if you are over leveraged and overbought, that maybe wait for some rebounds and then sell some. But if you are at the sideline and you want to accumulate for the long term, that with dollar cost averaging, you can go and buy with the state of mind that maybe the price will go much lower. It will maybe go lower. I see Ethereum was also under 280,000 right now, and also Bitcoin is down. So with a peace of mind that these prices can go lower. What I want to show you to the BRX chart, and okay, let's make this to weekly. So if I'm looking on the BRX chart, yes, this trend line has been broken, but still, if I'm put the logarithmic version, guys, then I see that where we are now, it's not a cycle top. It's rather than a sideways movement in this box. A sideways movement in this box, a kind of maybe accumulation, consolidation, but this is a sideways movement. So guys, don't trade on the market because it's very risky. Every time it can turn against you, and for sure use stop losses. But for the long term, maybe Bitcoin and crypto will go lower. But for the long term, it's better to buy these dips than buying at all-time high. So don't FOMO buy, but also don't FOMO sell, because the market will recover. Maybe we should wait months or years, but someday it will recover. So thank you for watching. Smash those like, push the bell, notification on, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.